crazy is the ocean right now.
Hold me only. We might have nothing.
Where are we going? Batangas.
We are going to Coral Beach.
Batangas, Tagaytay. Can't really see it on the camera, but through the fog, it's right there somewhere. Taal volcano. We made it, y'all. We're here in Coral Beach. Good morning, you beautiful souls. So currently we are just squeezing a workout in before we go island hopping. We got here yesterday, but we just took it easy. We had dinner and edited a little bit of videos of my cousin. He had my son and my cousin's girlfriend, Kate. She had her nails done. But we are going to Fortune Island in about an hour, so we'll see you guys there. What's up, buddy? Found it.
And I want you forever, and it's almost holy. The way you see me in a brand new light. Yeah. Some kind of magic when we both collide. I'm falling over and over again, love. 'Cause you're the one thing I'm never tired of, it's true.
Made it to Fortune Island. Look how beautiful it is, you guys. Everyone's up there. There's so clear blue water. And Case and my cousin. Cousin, it looks sexy AF. Blue ass. Wow! Wow. You guys have no idea how hard it is to walk into these things. Woo! Oh my god! Ah! Dude, I'm doing it wrong, so you're supposed to walk backwards with these things. Thank you, man. Thank you. You're like laughing at me, like, what are you doing? What are you doing? It is so nice, you guys. Like, I think the Corona and Monido, dude, is so much different. Can't wait to fly the drone up there, you know?
Rainy days with a mattress on the floor. Summer nights lying on the porch. And honestly, I just wanted to let you know. Didn't think I could love you more, but oh, it's
Damn! It's literally thundering right over there somewhere. I don't know how we're gonna get back. We're gonna whip out the drone real quick before we get poured on. Move your hand like this, like, you know, yeah, look at it.
Crazy, oh, it's crazy, crazy, crazy.
Woo! That was fun. Took about 30 minutes. Shot this beautiful place, this ruins. We're about to go ahead and check out the cliff diving spot down there. But wow, we brought Quack and Quack with us because, you know, I need some company. I get lonely sometimes around these two, you know.
No!
Quack and Quack. Life hack for you guys. You guys saw what I did there? I looked at the screen. It was blurry and then all of a sudden it was clear. Baby. We're gonna be taking Ducky with us down there. Jesus, so beautiful. It is insane. I think if you jump from over here, it'll be okay. Yeah. Let's do it with the ducky. What do you guys think?
It's not live.
Ducky! Walk, here we go!
Woo!
It's not bad. He's up. That wasn't too bad. The current is a little crazy, but Ducky saved me. quick.
Quick.
My buddy.
Quick.
It's nice.
Yeah, the current's a little crazy though.
Ducky.
My saber. The only thing that's scary about this is the stairs literally going down and going back up, and the current. Other than that, it's a beautiful place. Fortune Island for you guys. And I think that's it. We're on the way.
That's it.
We're on the way home.
Bye.
So I thought I was gonna end the vlog in the island, but how crazy is the ocean right now? I want to vlog this because this is part of the whole experience, going there and going back. This is what you guys don't see in the videos. Hella scary. God damn. Look at how that thing is flying everywhere.